So for round 4, you can see already it's here. The return on stock, we have 12.7. The second company have 8.6. And then for leverage, you have 1.9. Second one has 1.8. And then emergency loan, there's no company that incurred any emergency loan. Our sales grew to 306, which was the highest in the industry. And then the cumulative profit, currently we have 64 million. And then the second company have 34. Our market share has grown to 42.6, which is a very good indication. And this time you can see the change in our stock price was positive 64.49. It closed at 147.6, as you can see here from this graph. And also our credit, actually our bond market rating has increased. Currently it's trading at B, meaning that we can get loan at a cheaper rate. And then from the decision score result, we got 78.1 out of 80. Question score, we got 99 out of 104. The total comes to about 177.1 out of 184. All right, that's all for this round. Let us proceed and start making decision for our round 4.